Dechrau digon anodd ydy hi wedi bod i'r Fenni ac aeth pethau o ddrwg i waith wedi Ceri Hudson lorio Lexi Harrison yn y cwrt. Capten Seintiau Beth Lewis yn rhwydo o'r smotyn. Golia'r genod 19 oed, Isobel Redding. Ac yna Daniel Staley yn ei gwneud hi'n 2 ddim i'r Seintiau ar yr egwyl. Gol Elis Lynn yr rhai llygedyn obaith i'r tîm cartra, ond yna y rheolwr Josh Anderson yn gweld cardyn coch am ddadla gyda'r dyfarnwr Teifion Cook. Golia yn yr amser a ganiateir am anafiadau'r ddiwedd y gêm gan y Wyddeles Caitlin Chapman. Ac ail Elis Lynn yn y gêm yn golygu mae'r Seintiau oedd yn cipio'r triphwynt.
Yeah, a really interesting game, wasn't it? You know, I said to the girls right at the end, welcome to the National League, because it was really feisty, it was really competitive. I think having got yourself 3 goals in front, maybe you're dreaming of putting your arm out the window and coasting a little bit with the sunglasses on, and fair play to Abergavenny, they did not allow us to do that. They came back full tilt second half and made a real competitive game of it, and you know, that teaches us an awful lot about ourselves, it teaches us an awful lot about this league. But you know, your first point about 3 points, that's what we came for and that's what we've got, so we're really pleased that, you know, we've scored some goals, but we've managed to compete and make ourselves difficult to play against.
I mean, it was a pretty scrappy game, but we held our ground when we needed to. You know, when the momentum could have shifted their way, we did well to hold our ground.
Bagged yourself a goal as well, how nice is that?
Absolutely buzzing, honestly. It's not my main objective going into a game, but yeah, especially scoring from a header feels great, yeah.